Hi there. We are going to talk about how our largest internal organ, the liver, can communicate with us when it is having health problems. Because of the liver's crucial function in the body, any issues with it can have a major negative impact on our health. The liver lacks pain receptors, thus the majority of its issues resolve without causing severe discomfort. In order to help you avoid negative outcomes, today we will discuss the early indicators of liver disorders. First though, I kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to this channel. It is very important for us. Thank you very much. Let's start. 1. Itchy and flaky skin. The liver is a true worker in our body. In addition to filtering dangerous toxins, its cells also generate bile, which is an essential aid to digestion. But the liver can have issues, just like any other worker. Itching when there are issues with the liver is not only a cosmetic defect, rather, it is an indication that there is a medical issue. The chemicals that the liver produces ought to be able to freely enter the intestines and take part in digestion processes. But, if this bile flow is obstructed for any reason, bile accumulates in the liver and causes localized itching in several areas of the body, including the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. A hot bath or shower might help relieve this excruciating itching, which can get worse at night. Itching on the skin can be reduced and soothed by warming it. But you shouldn't depend just on these steps. Treating the buildup of bile in the liver's tissues is necessary to address the issue. Therefore, consult a physician right away if you think you may have liver issues. 2. Skin tone shifts. It's true that the skin reflects one's health, particularly in the case of liver illness. As you are aware, the liver is essential to numerous digestive and metabolism-related functions. But when the liver is overworked, what happens to the skin? Through its various expressions, the skin can communicate with us. For instance, repeated bruises and pitting hemorrhagic rashes may be signs of a blood clotting issue, which is frequently associated with liver illness. Additionally, yellow plaques on the skin, particularly on the hands, elbows, and feet, may be a sign of high blood cholesterol levels, another symptom related to liver function. On the other hand, the most obvious skin symptom of liver problems is palmar erythema. The skin becomes pale when pressure is applied, but it soon recovers to its natural hue. This results from inadequate hepatic function, which impairs blood circulation in the skin. 3. Cracked heels. The liver's primary function is the production of bile, which is crucial to our digestion. But when the liver isn't functioning properly, what happens to the skin? The body may not receive the proper nutrients, such as vitamins E, C, A, and B3, if there is insufficient bile. These nutrients are necessary for maintaining tone and health in the skin. Skin that isn't functioning properly in the liver might get dry and lose its natural shine. Don't give up, though. Diet can actually be the best buddy for our skin and liver. Keep in mind that how you exercise counts just as much as what you consume. It is advisable to eat in moderation. You should also increase your intake of fresh fruits, vegetables, berries, greens, and wholemeal oatmeal. 4. Swelling. It is possible that the inability of the liver to digest bile could lead to the accumulation of static water and salt in our tissues. Because of this, our legs could develop pitting edema. Without a doubt, this is a clear indication that there is a problem with our lymphatic system. 5. Hair loss. Hair loss and other external symptoms can be caused by impaired liver function, which might have an impact on general health. Hair loss may get worse if the liver is unable to produce the building blocks needed for tissue growth. An incapacity of the liver to carry out its basic duties might hasten hair loss and impair internal health. 6. Higher body temperature and more sweating. Fever can indicate liver disease for numerous reasons. Liver illnesses often cause liver tissue inflammation, hepatitis. This inflammation can activate the immune system, causing a fever to fight infection or inflammation. Infection. Liver disease increases infection risk. These liver infections or systemic infections impact the whole body. Fever is a common defense against infections. The liver's main job is detoxification. When the liver is damaged, it may not eliminate poisons from the blood. As the body reacts to toxic buildup, fever can result. 7. Constant feeling of fatigue. Have you ever had the feeling that you wake up exhausted, even after getting a good night's sleep? Sleep issues might result from the body's toxins building up and slowing down the digestive system. Your body starts to produce more cortisol when you don't get enough sleep, which interferes with your ability to fall asleep. Consequently, sleeplessness and nightmares start to accompany you on a regular basis. This symptom is associated with conditions including acute colitis, hepatitis, active cirrhosis, liver abscess, and hepatic colic, especially when the evenings arrive. The increase in temperature should not be disregarded, as it may indicate that your liver requires assistance. Make sure to visit your doctor for a diagnosis and treatment if you encounter this symptom. 8. Bad breath. The stench may be your body's loud cry for assistance while it is fighting against contaminants. But don't worry, it might not be as difficult as you think to solve the issue. Certain dietary modifications, including consuming more water and veggies and reducing alcohol and tobacco use, can assist your liver in performing its functions. In the end, taking good care of your liver can enhance your overall health and breath. 9. Jaundice. The condition known as jaundice can progressively develop when our liver is overworked. Jaundice may not be visible at first, but with time, yellow spots on the tongue, eyes, and even the palms of the hands and feet start to show. This may be the consequence of injury to the liver cells, which are less effective in eliminating toxic substances from the blood. But there is another kind of jaundice called mechanical jaundice, which is brought on by bile duct obstruction and frequently appears suddenly along with excruciating skin itching. In any event, make sure to visit your doctor for a diagnosis and treatment if you observe a jaundice tinge in your skin or eyes. 10. Enlargement of the abdomen. Enlargement can result from portal hypertension and diffuse liver disease, respectively. Even though flatulence could only feel like a slight discomfort, stomach issues and fluid imbalances in the belly can be the source of it. Do not hesitate to consult your physician if you observe any changes in your abdomen. 11. Vascular asterisks and red dots on the body. Excess estrogen in our cells can collect and damage the blood vessels in our skin. Consequently, some blood vessels enlarge, resulting in the formation of vascular stars on the body, which are visible in the arms, legs, back, and neck. On the body, red spots may indicate severe liver issues. Toxin accumulation has a detrimental effect on our blood vessels, which impairs circulation to the outer regions of our legs. Skin manifestations can take many different forms and sizes, but they always raise questions about the liver's condition. 12. Dyspepsia. When the liver isn't functioning properly, it communicates with us through our stomach and intestines. Liver dysfunction can result in dyspeptic symptoms as belching, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, and a heaviness in the abdomen. However, this is only the start of the issue because lipids are not properly absorbed and digested. We may also experience changes in the quality of our feces, which can be uncomfortable as well as a sign of severe liver issues. We are at the end of the video. Remember to hit the bell, subscribe to our channel, and tell your friends and family about this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on this lifestyle channel soon. Bye.